The TrailKeg, the GrowlerWerks, or FIZZICS? Perhaps the NutriChef mini keg system or the TMCRAFT? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 canned beer draft systems available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best canned beer draft systems. The 5th product on this list is the FIZZICS DraftPour beer. If you're a beer lover, the FIZZICS DraftPour is a must-have accessory. With its patented microfoam technology and new features like USB power and a larger size to accommodate all bottle and can sizes, this newest model is a game changer. Plus, it pours 25% faster than previous models. The DraftPour takes any beer's natural carbonation and turns it into an uniformed sized bubbles called microfoam. This delivers a rich and creamy head, enhancing the aroma, flavor, and mouthfeel of your favorite beer. It accommodates all cans and bottles, including bomber cans and up to 25-ounce bottles, and it works with any beer, from lagers to stouts to IPAs to sours. Built to last, the DraftPour is constructed with zinc-reinforced PC ABS composite with titanium metallic and matte finishes. It looks gorgeous and is easy to keep clean for years to come. And with a convenient USB cord and a wall adapter, or the option to run on 2 AA batteries, it's perfect for your home bar, camping, tailgating, the beach, or patio. With the FIZZICS DraftPour, every beer you pour will taste better. No more drinking beer straight from the bottle or can. The DraftPour will convert any beer into nitro-style draft beer, giving you an unforgettable drinking experience. Whether you're a beer enthusiast or just looking for a better way to enjoy your favorite brews, the FIZZICS DraftPour is a must-have accessory. Its pros are: it is made to enhance the taste and aroma of any beer by converting natural carbonation into uniform microfoam. It accommodates all cans and bottle sizes and any type of beer. And it comes with a convenient and versatile power option with USB or battery operation. However, it can be a bit heavy and bulky, making it less portable than some other beer dispensers. The FIZZICS DraftPour beer is a must-have accessory that will convert any beer into a nitro-style draft beer, delivering rich and creamy microfoam that will take your beer enjoyment to the next level. Up next in 4th place is the TMCRAFT Mini Keg Growler. All beer enthusiasts know that there's nothing quite like enjoying a cold brew on a summer evening. And with the TMCRAFT pressurized mini keg, you can do just that. This mini keg has a 128-ounce capacity, making it easy to transport and store, perfect for your home cooler or fridge. Plus, the solid food-grade stainless steel construction of the keg tap dispenser kit means your beer will stay fresh and flavorful. It's like having your own personal tap room. But wait, there's more. The TMCRAFT pressurized mini keg has an upgraded regulator that lets you monitor the current PSI and fine-tune the pressure to control the beer flow. It's like being your own beer sommelier. And with the CO2 cartridge system, you can maintain perfect carbonation with just a single 16-gram capsule. That's enough to tap 128 ounces of beer, perfect for a party or just a night in with friends. This pressurized growler is the ultimate way to enjoy fresh carbonated beverages anywhere, from outdoor events to your living room armchair. And with the TMCRAFT 1-year warranty and 24/7 support and service via Amazon, you can rest easy knowing your satisfaction is guaranteed. So why settle for stale, flat beer when you can have the TMCRAFT pressurized mini keg? It's like having a personal bartender in your pocket. Its pros are: it has a portable size that makes it easy to transport and store. It has solid food-grade stainless steel construction that keeps beer fresh and flavorful. And it has a CO2 cartridge system, maintains perfect carbonation, and ensures beer stays fresh for weeks. However, putting it back together after cleaning is a little tricky due to the strong spring system. The TMCRAFT Mini Keg Growler is an excellent choice for those who want to enjoy a fresh, carbonated beer on the go or at home, with the convenience of portable size and the reliability of solid stainless steel construction. Still haven't found a canned beer draft system that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the NutriChef Mini Keg System. This is the ultimate product for those who want to enjoy their favorite beverages anytime, anywhere. Forget about traditional growlers that make your drinks flat after the first pour. With this 128-ounce keg, you can keep your beer vacuum pressured and fresh for weeks, so you can enjoy the perfect pint every time. Crafted from solid food-grade stainless steel, the NutriChef is built to last. Its metal screw-on cap makes it easy to transport and store, while the short cap design fits perfectly into your home fridge or kegerator. Plus, it can keep your drinks chilled for up to 8 hours, making it the ideal choice for outdoor activities, picnics, and parties. The adjustable regulator is one of the standout features of the NutriChef Growler. It allows you to monitor the current PSI of the Growler cooling tank from the regulator gauge and fine-tune pressure by rotating the adjustment knob to achieve the perfect head on every beer. With the included cap spear, brass tap CO2 aluminum regulator with 0 to 30 PSI, food-grade silicone O-ring kit, and 47.24-inch silicone beer tubing, the set has everything you need to enjoy your favorite craft beers at home. Moreover, the NutriChef is compact, portable, and easy to assemble and fill. Its solid construction, easy maintenance, and carbonation preservation make it the perfect choice for any beer enthusiast. Whether you're a home brewer or a craft beer lover, this growler is a must-have addition to your collection. So raise your glass to the perfect pint and get your hands on the NutriChef mini keg system today. Its pros are: it has double-walled stainless steel insulation that keeps beverages cold for up to 8 hours. It has an adjustable regulator allowing for fine-tuning of the PSI and perfect head on every beer. And it has all the necessary installation components and hardware for easy assembly and use. However, some users have reported difficulty with the seal on the screw-on cap. The NutriChef mini keg system is perfect for those who want to keep their favorite draft beer perfectly chilled for hours and maintain the carbonation for days or even weeks. The second product on this list is the TrailKeg Carbonated Growler. Looking for a way to take your love for beer to the next level? Look no further than the TrailKeg Pressurized Beer Growler. This thing is like a personal beer genie, granting your wish for perfectly carbonated beer that stays fresh for weeks. With its dual-stage regulator and perfect pour tube, you can fine-tune your carbonation settings to make sure you get a consistent and refreshing taste every time you pour. But the TrailKeg is more than just a one-trick pony. Its sturdy 18/8 stainless steel body can handle anything you throw its way, whether you're roughing it in the great outdoors or having a backyard BBQ with your buds. And with its double-wall vacuum installation and 48-hour cold retention, you can take your time enjoying your beer without worrying about it getting warm. And the TrailKeg isn't just for beer lovers either. It's also great for other carbonated drinks like nitro coffee, kombucha, and even cocktails. So if you're looking for a versatile and reliable companion for all your adventures, the TrailKeg has got you covered. Plus, it makes for an awesome gift for the beer lover or homebrewer in your life. With a 1-year warranty on all parts and products, you can rest assured that this bad boy will be by your side for many happy pours to come. Just don't forget to grab some CO2 cartridges before you hit the campsite. Its pros are: it keeps beer carbonated for weeks with its dual-stage regulator and perfect pour tube. It has adjustable carbonation settings and double-wall vacuum insulation to keep beer fresh and cold for up to 48 hours. And it can be used for a variety of beverages like home brews, nitro coffee, kombucha, and cocktails. However, it has a tall and slender design that may not fit in some home fridges or coolers. The TrailKeg Carbonated Growler is the perfect companion for any outdoor adventure, keeping your beer properly carbonated and glacier fresh. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top canned beer draft system is the GrowlerWerks uKeg. The uKeg is not just any draft beer growler. It's the ultimate solution for beer enthusiasts who demand the very best. This impressive product is equipped with cutting-edge features that set it apart from its competitors. The double-wall vacuum-insulated stainless steel vessel is built to last and keep your beer icy cold for hours on end. The carbonation cap ensures that your beer is always perfectly carbonated, so every sip is as crisp and refreshing as the first. But that's not all. The uKeg is also equipped with a sight glass, so you can always know exactly how much beer you have left. The pressure gauge is easy to read, and the dispenser tap makes pouring a breeze, all while keeping the cap securely in place with a tap lock. And if you want to show off your beer credentials, the interchangeable tap handle lets you personalize your uKeg with your favorite brewery's logo. But the real game changer here is the low-cost food-grade CO2 cartridges. No more bulky and expensive keg systems are needed to enjoy your favorite beer. The uKeg has got you covered, and with the ability to keep your beer fresh and carbonated for weeks, you'll always have a cold one ready whenever you want it. In short, the uKeg is the perfect companion for any beer lover. It's portable, easy to use, and delivers fresh and delicious draft beer like no other. Whether you're grilling in the backyard, camping in the great outdoors, or simply relaxing on the porch, The uKeg is the perfect partner for all your beer adventures. So raise a glass to the good life and enjoy your favorite brew in style with the uKeg. Its pros are: it has an interchangeable tap handle so you can personalize it or represent your favorite brewery. It has a durable double-wall vacuum-insulated stainless steel vessel. It has a dispenser tap that allows for easy pouring without removing the cap, and it is made to keep beer fresh for weeks. However, it requires a moderate amount of technical know-how to maintain, as cleaning can be a little fiddly. The GrowlerWerks uKeg is a beer enthusiast's best friend, always ready to join you and your crew at any gathering so you can all savor fresh, perfectly carbonated beer every time. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.